Plus, you know what's amazing? 5 years from now, people won't ask who knew AI was coming. They'll ask who actually did something about it. Right now, thousands of entrepreneurs are turning simple ideas into AI-powered businesses, while everyone else keeps saying, I'll start next month. Here's the truth. You don't need to become a programmer. You don't need investors. You don't need a room full of developers. You need the courage to take action. SnapApps AI lets you build, brand, host, and sell professional white-label AI apps using a single command from your phone. One idea can become your next client, your next product, or even your next business. The biggest risk today isn't AI replacing you. It's someone using AI to replace your business. To learn everything about SnapApps AI, visit theproductoasis.com and search for SnapApps AI, or simply click the link in the description below. And if this video made you think, hit like, share it with someone who's serious about building an online business, and subscribe for more honest AI reviews, demos, and walkthroughs.